Ohanaeze Ndigbo to sign a surety for Nnamdi Kanu. They say the Wagner Group, which is threatened Russia that they are going to revenge for the death of their leader. No be small thing, no. They say government don't start again everywhere. So guys, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time they come across this wonderful channel, what are you waiting for? Oh yeah, may you go subscribe to our YouTube channel and also turn on your notification button for more updates as they happen, and don't forget to follow us on Facebook as well. Let's go and look into the ogbonge news where we get for hand today. No be small thing, no, things are happening. We get news yafu today to talk about. They say Ohanaeze meet National Assembly, say it is ready to sign surety for IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu. Ohanaeze Ndigbo has declared it showed his readiness to sign an indemnity agreement for the Nigeria government for the release of the 10 leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu. The organization also said that nothing would have glad the heart of Igbo people than the unconditional freedom of the self-agitator. No be small thing, no. My people, you know say grammar no dey sweet for our mouth, so we dey break am down to where our people go understand wetin dey go on. Things are happening. Ohanaeze Ndigbo have stand up to say they don't do anything wey they fit do to stop this agitation, but nothing is working. That the best solution is to release the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu unconditionally, so that there will be peace and tranquility in the southeast region as whole. Ohanaeze Ndigbo said they are ready to sign any form of agreement with Nigeria government in order way to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. So this is what they are trying to let us know here. In form of surety, a form of signing of maybe I stand for this person, like they did to Abaribe and co when they detain him before. So this is what Ohanaeze Ndigbo, the move they are making. So, but I think in this case, the Biafras will not be happy with this move. The Biafras will be happy for them to release Nnamdi Kanu, but let any condition they are going to sign not be any condition that's going to affect the coming of Biafra. I think this is where the agreement will come from. But however, what we need is the unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, as their court have declared that he have no case against Nigeria government, so they should release him immediately. So guys, now so we see am for today, and now we say we will bring am come give our people more na they know wetin dey happen for the countryside. A lot of things are going on. So guys, what do you think that Ohanaeze Ndigbo should have done in this particular side? Are they making a good right, or are they getting everything wrong? So I'm going to leave the headline for us to read as well here. So guys, what do you think? Leave it in the comment section so that we will know what you think in this particular update coming from Ohanaeze Ndigbo. So let's go and look into the next news we will get for hand today as well. They say one Biafra wrestler, say this one they use blow, they scatter people mad for Cambodia. They say since the history of this guy started this wrestling, boxing, I mean, he never ever use Nigeria. Every time when they come, na Biafra flag. This guy should not be forgetting in history of Biafra, because he representing his where he belong, he come from with full force, and he's been winning all his battle, never lost battle. So recently he win another one, which is we are going to play a short video for you people here to watch who we are talking about, and the presentation of him coming out and his winning. So let's watch the video together. So this guy is a hero. At least if there is 1 million people over there that have known that there is a place called Biafra, and this is his own way of the freedom of Biafra as well. So congratulations, my brother. Balabas Gis says, shout out to this our brother. I will find your name, your full details, and must be giving an update about you in this platform. So thank you so much and keep the good work ongoing. So guys, now so we see am today. Oh, no be small thing, things are happening. They say Nigeria police don return money oh. This one shock you? Say Nigeria police return money. Okay, move go ahead, go read and come outside. They say one Nigeria police return money oh. Okay na. Nigeria police female inspector reject 500,000 bribe from suspect in Anambra and get reward after rejecting this money. Una shock say how Nigeria police go return money. No be small thing. This Nigeria female police, they say in suspect come give am 500,000 bribe for this hardship. Now the girl the inspector reject am immediately, and after everything now they come wire big money give am and give am a reward for doing that, in order way to encourage other police wey dey collect her cars for bus stop and for checkpoint, say make they not make they stop am, say e no good. So now wetin the oga patapata they come gather come give am award for doing that. No be small thing. Okay, na so we see am o. What do you think about that, my people? Make we go look into the next news wey we get for hand today. A lot of tori dey to yarn. Stay tuned. They say the Russia president wey be Putin don call out on Wagner group, say make dem sign the oath of allegiance for the Russia government. No be small thing. So make we read am out as they take talk am o. Russia president Putin order Wagner fighters to sign oath of allegiance after Prigozhin died. No be small thing. So now the Wagner group come reply. They say we will revenge the death of Prigozhin, our leader, and expect 50,000 troops to revenge his death. So all the fighters are leaving Africa and going back to Belarus in order way to reinforce themselves and revenge for the death of their leader. Na so we see am today. No be small thing. Katakata don dey for this world many o. My people, okay, na so we see am for today news o. Okay, stay tuned. We dey bring you more update as e dey happen. The next update wey we go update you. Abeg, make you no forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel o for a quick update as e dey happen. Na so we dey bring am dey come, and turn on the notification button for YouTube so that whenever we upload over there, you go get am. And also follow this page for more updates. Thank you for watching.